shower door model TSD. Before installation, ensure that the bathroom space is level and flat. Carefully measure the width of X1 and X. Apply silicone sealant to the bottom of the bottom threshold. Note that the higher part should face outward. Leave a 1/2 inch gap at both ends. Use a level to ensure vertical alignment and mark the hole positions. Drill holes at the marked position. Insert the wall anchor into the hole. Reposition the wall jamb guide and secure it with screws. Install the top rail. First disassemble the pulley, then assemble it onto all glass panel. Move one piece of tempered glass inside and place it onto the soft pad. Note the pulley should face inward for easier installation. Install the second glass panel to the outermost side port. Note, install the outer glass first. Slide the glass to the same side. Install the sliding guide onto the bottom threshold. First, hook it into the slide. Disassemble the handle. Install the handle onto the tempered glass and tighten with a tool. Test whether the door opens and closes smoothly. If any signs of impact or damage are found on the handle, remove the shim on the inside of the handle. Check again that the door opens and closes smoothly. Install the side water stopper. Apply silicone sealant to the entire shower door. Allows tab for 24 hours. Do not use installation complete.